Officially restarting my channel. It's basically a life update where I have been, what I have been doing, why I decided to come back to YouTube, why I decided to restart this month. Basically February. It's not that my year has started. No, I don't know about you. I didn't start in January. I'm going to do it with me. Okay. Sincerely, I have been everywhere and nowhere at the same time. Best way possible. I would say life happened, and yeah, that's just it. I wanted to record. I'm not even going to kid you. My phone space is filled with content that I have recorded, but I can't seem to get myself to put it out there because I feel like, yeah, we've been doing this kind of content for quite a while. We need to level up, and every time I want to do that, something just happens and I am not able to film. And also, yeah, I got tired of filming. I felt like you guys don't deserve this quality of content. Like, you guys deserve something better. My mind was playing a trick on me, but I think we're back now, you know. I became a mom, and I think that in itself is a whole world, and nobody really talks about how I think everybody talks about it, but sincerely, until you experience it for yourself, you're going to be thinking all these moms be making excuses, but I can guarantee you it's no excuse, because it feels like your whole time is consumed with being a mom. 2024 was just a year of learning and relearning and unlearning. Just a lot of growing was happening in the background. So yeah, I hope you guys get to see that growth right here doing now. Guys, oh my god, in everything, my mindset, my body, physically, emotionally, financially, girl. girl, oh my god. I realized that nobody is really coming to save you. Everybody has got their own stuff to do, and my community is amazing, so I deserve, or my community deserves, to get the best from me. Do you understand? I know you do. I'm trying to be that girl, you know. I'm trying to be that girl. I'm trying to be that mom. I'm trying to be everything but my old self. And I think trying to learn has just been the toughest part, or really trying to choose myself in these 2 years has been really, really hard for me. But I thank God we are getting there, slowly but surely. We are getting there. When I'm reading like creative things, my creative juices tend to flow even more. So yes, for me. So I'm trying to be intentional with what I consume, not just food, not just everything. Filter what people say to me, what I say to people. Getting my life together era. Okay, it's simple. It's to show up. I am going to show up for myself. Oh my god, please. I owe it to myself to show up, right? I want to create more content that I'm proud of. I want to build my community. I just want to show up for myself, show up for my brand, recreate my brand, like to be who I am now. Days and you feel like you have been delaying, or like life just got stuck, life just paused, you were stranded and all, I promise you, you are not alone. So if you feel stuck, guy, I felt stuck as well, but you owe it to yourself to unstuck yourself and just start over. And starting over doesn't mean that you failed. It just means that you have realized that something is not working and you're trying to correct that. So yes, start over. Update with you guys. This one just to tell you guys that I'm back. So on this channel, what you're going to be seeing from now henceforth is going to be I don't really do vlogs because I feel like my life is boring and I don't want to bore you guys. So I don't do vlogs. But from now henceforth, is that English correct? I don't know. But from now on this space, we are going to have like big girl talks. We are going to have sit down talks, because I enjoy doing this a lot. I love talking to you you guys. We're going to have like big girl talks. We're going to have like financial talks, guys. I've got tea for you guys. We're going to talk about a lot of financial distance because I think I want to go into that part. We're going to talk about just basically it's going to be growing. This channel is going to be about growth. This channel is going to motivate, help you grow, help you motivate yourself. It's going to be like, you know, that go-to channel if you just want to unwind and relax. If you just want to unwind and relax. So yeah, guys, that's all I have to say. So please, I know that it's been a while and a lot of you are still here. So if you've watched to this part of the video, I just want to say thank you for still being here. Please subscribe. Yeah, I promise I'm not going to run away again, so please subscribe. From now on, I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to be really, really consistent, and I pray that I can keep to my words. So feel free to watch any other videos on my channel, and yeah, guys, my next video, please leave your comments in the comment section because that way I get to know what you guys think. And so, bye.